over 50 referrals in under 24 hours from this secret traffic source. Now, as you guys see here, I have earned now 11,000 silver coins in the Golden Farm online game. Now, what I want to show you is if we go over to my referrals, what I want to share with you is a secret Bitcoin traffic source that I was using a couple months ago when I was, heavily into Bitcoin, and I'm using it for this platform, and it's working really well. As you guys see here, we have tons of adbtc.top. That is the traffic source. So if you have a Golden Farm account, this traffic works really, really well for it because it is from Russia, and this game was it is launched in Russia. The main currency is rubles or ruble, which is a Russian currency. So the traffic suits very, very well with this offer. If you don't have a Golden Farm account, you can click the link below. If you have no idea what Golden Farm is, I'll also leave a link to a review video which I did on this platform, and I do have a couple other videos. If you just go to my videos on my YouTube channel, you can see I have done a couple videos on this platform so far. So what we're going to go over is, let me just open it up here. I'm just going to open up a new tab. The traffic source, like I said, is adbtc.top. There is a link in the description below. Like I said, what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be setting up these surf ads. So you want to go into advertise, and you want to make sure you set up a surf ad. Okay, so as you guys see here, I put in $20 worth of $20 Canadian worth of Bitcoin, so about like $15 US of Bitcoin, and I was able to get 50 referrals inside of the Golden Farm platform in under 24 hours. So very, very powerful with this traffic source. And all you have to do is literally just plug in your affiliate link, which if you go under my referrals, you can grab the, I recommend using the English version. That one converted better for me. So as you see here, 50 users, all you got to do is plug your link in, and then you just literally fill up your advertising bonus by depositing the Bitcoin. If you don't know how to do Bitcoin, watch yesterday's video where I go over that using Coinbase. So make sure you check out that video. But it's very simple. You're just going to load up, you're just going to deposit some Bitcoin, and then you're just going to keep filling up your balance. As you see here, mine is empty, so I got to load up some more Bitcoin into this campaign because it is converting. And then just for signing up, now none of these people have gone ahead and actually replenished their account. So this 250 is going to go up, over the next couple days once people start playing and they start replenishing their accounts. I'm going to actually earn 15% and 5% all the way down to the 4th level. So this can add up really, really quickly, and this is going to help you grow your birds. And already within the first 24 hours, I already made my first withdrawal. It was only for $1, but still it was pretty cool to see, okay, you can earn from these birds, and you can actually, withdraw very easily. And, I recommend setting up a pay your account. As you guys see here, I withdrew 80 Rubble, which was about $1, and then I actually reinvested it back into the platform to get that 100% bonus. And then I bought another bird. So currently, let's just go over here and see my see what I got so far. So I got 20 green birds, I got 19 yellow, 7 brown, 5 blue, 5 red, and 2 kingbirds so far. So this is only about 24 hours into the platform, and currently, if we just actually go into calculate, it's a much easier way to see it. I am getting about 64 Rebel per day, so almost $1 per day within the first 24 hours with, not even 100 birds. So that's pretty powerful. This is going to, continue to grow every single day as I continue to, just go to my egg storehouse, right? Just collect all the eggs. Then you're just going to go into egg selling. And I just do this, I normally leave it for, 8 to 10 hours so that it can accumulate enough to get 1,500. And then what I do is I go into buy birds, and I want to get another yellow one. So what I've done so far is I've got the cap at 20. So now my goal is to start accumulating the brown birds, because I don't want to waste too much time getting these smaller birds. I do want to work my way up to actually getting the brown bird. So now I should be checking my account every, I would say, 10 to 15 hours, because that's about how long it's going to take to get me a brown bird at the 7,500 silver. So definitely go check out that traffic source. That is going to be a cool way to start getting some referrals, and then that way it'll also help you if there is another competition or something like that where you can earn some bonuses inside of the platform. So thank you for watching this video. My name's Dylan DeFazio. If you guys want me to cover anything inside of this platform, let me know if I didn't cover anything. And if you got some good value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next training.